The private sector has been locking horns with the Kenya Revenue Authority over the slow pace at which the taxman has been disbursing tax refunds. This saw the Kenya Revenue Authority accumulated 30 billion shillings in tax refunds. To help reduce this amount, the National Treasury has availed 7.1 billion shillings that will be used in settling part of the tax refunds accumulated since 2013. This leaves the taxman with a balance of 20% of tax refunds claims, though Commissioner General John Njiraini says the authority is currently refunding over 1.2 billion shillings in refunds every month.
The refunds process therefore shows support to our manufacturers and equips them to better compete among global exporters. Towards this end, the National Treasury has recently released 7.1 billion to KRA for tax refunds, including VAT, 79% of which has been paid out to various taxpayers. And I urge the KRA to complete the remaining payments.
KRA is targeting paperless operations by the year 2018 in an initiative aimed at improving tax collections with systems such as the installation of the Integrated Customs Management System and Data Warehouse program almost complete.
For the bulk of them, like iTax is already implemented. ICMS, we expect full implementation to be achieved by March next year. The ERP project we expect will be completed by the end of this year. The data warehouse is being implemented in phases, but we expect that substantially the most critical phases of the data warehouse project will be implemented within 2017.
KRA has been telling to utilize provision of the Tax Procedures Act to nab tax evaders as opposed to hard tackle tactics employed in the past that had not yielded better results.
Our approach going forward, therefore, is to nurture trust with taxpayers with a view to cementing positive partnership as opposed to confrontation.
I know that there are a few individuals who still wallow in the delusion that the tax evasion pays. I urge KRA to go after these tax evaders using the newly enacted tax laws such as the Tax Procedure Act, which already is operational.
They were speaking during the opening of this year's Taxpayers Month. Nicholas Ndwati, News Hour Business.